first one is binary to decimal. To convert a binary number base of 2 to a decimal number base of 10, use positional notation. Each digit in a binary number represents a power of 2 with the value of each position doubling as you move from right to left. This is the method. Number 1, write down the binary number. Starting from the rightmost digit, assign a power of 2 to each position beginning with 2, which equals 1. Multiply each binary digit, which can only be 0 or 1, by its assigned power of 2. Add all the results together. The final sum is the decimal equivalent. For example, 1011 is equal to blank. Ang una nating gagawin ay ganoin natin at kukopyahin natin yung 1 times 2 ganun din, kukopyahin natin yung isa pa, 1 times 2, bigyan pala natin siya ng raised to 0. 1 times 2 raised to 1. 0 times 2 raised to 2. Then 1, kukopyahin natin ulit. 1 times 2 raised to 3. Kung napapansin nyo, puro to kasi nga 2 yung binary natin. Tapos mapapansin nyo yan, puro padagdag yan. Dapat yung exponent nyo dyan, dapat padagdag 0, 1, 2, 3. So, ayun na nga guys, imumultiply na natin. 1 times 2 raised to 0 is equal to, kukopyahin natin, 1 times 2 raised to 0. Lahat ng numbers na kapag exponent nila ay 0, magiging 1. Kaya 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 raised to 1. Kasi nga yung exponent niya ay 1. Kaya 2 times 1, 1 pala yun. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Ganun din yun. Itong pangatlo. 0 times, kukopyahin din natin, 2 raised to 2. O kaya, 2, ang exponent niya ay 2. Ganito ang gagawin natin. Diba kinopya na natin? Ganito. O, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Kaya, ito, 2 times 2, magiging 4 siya. Is equal to, 0 times 4 is equal to 0. 1 times 2 raised to 3. Ganito rin siya, 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. Times 2 is 8. Kaya, kukopyahin natin, 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Pagkatapos nyan, ay i-add natin yan. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 0, 3. Plus 8 is equal to 11. Kaya, ang answer nito, 10112 is equal to 11. Ganyan na po, resulta niya. To binary. How to convert decimal number to a binary number? You use the successive division by 2 method. This process involves repeatedly dividing the decimal number by 2 and recording a remainder at each step. The method is divide the decimal number by 2, record the remainder, which will be either 0 or 1. Use the quotient from division as the new number and repeat the division process. Continue the steps until the quotient becomes 0. The binary equivalent is the sequence of remainder read from bottom to top. How to convert decimal to binary? Binary is a base of 2, and it uses symbol which is 0 and 1. First is to divide by 2. 64 divided by 2, and 64 divided by 2 is equal to, this is 32, and the remainder is 0. Paulit-ulit lang natin i-divide sa 2 ang quotient hanggang ang answer niya ay 0. Next is 32. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16, and the remainder is 0. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, and the remainder is 0. Again, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Remainder is 0. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. The remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Remainder is 0. And 1 divided by 2 is 0. The remainder is 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, nandito ang remainder niya ay 0. Kapag odd number, ang remainder niya ay 1. Ito na ang binary number. Kopyahin natin mula dito hanggang hanggang dito. Ito na yung binary number natin. Kaya, ang result ng 64, 10 is equal to, ito siya, 1, 0, pataas po siya, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan na po siya. Decimal to binary. To convert a decimal number to an octal number, you use the method of successive division by 8. This is simple process that involves repeatedly dividing the decimal number by 8 and recording the remainder. The method is divide the decimal number by 8, record the remainder, use the quotient from the division as the new number, and repeat the process. Continue these steps until the quotient becomes 0. The octal equivalent is the sequence of remainder. Read from bottom to top. So, alam na natin na kapag decimal, base siya sa 10. Ang makikita mong digit sa bawat number ng decimal ay pwedeng maging 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isang example ng decimal number ay 143. Tapos may base na 10. Malalaman mo na mga uri ng number pag tinignan mo ang base sa baba. Base sa baba. Sa octal naman ay base siya na 8. May base siya na 8. Ang pwedeng digit na makikita mo sa octal ay 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Example, 17. Tapos may base na 8. Tapos, tutungo na tayo sa pagko-convert ng decimal o octal. Halimbawa, meron tayong number na 2023 na decimal base 10. 2023 base of 10 equal to blank. eighths. I-convert natin to octal 8. So, paano yan? Gaya, ginagawa natin sa decimal to octal, ganun din gagawin natin dito. Unang-una, lista muna natin yung decimal na number ilista muna natin yung decimal na number 2023 divided by 8. Lalabas yung 8 kasi nga i-convert natin siya sa octal. Yung decimal number, yung 2023 divided by 8 is 223 divided by 8 is 252. 252. Ilang 8 na meron sa 2023? Meron natira, which is 7. 7 meron, remainder na 7. So, ito na ang sagot niyan. Ay, siyang divide 7. So, ganito ulit. 252 divided by 252, i-divide muna natin sa 8. 8 rin ang i-divide natin sa 252. 252 divided by 8 is 31. So, may matira pang 4. 30. So, yung 31 pwede pa siyang i-divide sa 8. Yung 31 pwede pa siyang i-divide sa 8. 4 na to. Yung 31 pwede na pa natin i-divide sa 8. So, yung 31 pwede po siyang i-divide sa 8, which is 7. So, ito ang sagot niyan. Pataas ulit. Meron tayong 3, 7, 4, 7. So, tapos, base na 8. Kapag 2023, i-convert natin sa octal, ang sagot ay 3747. Base 8. Yan na po yung sagot. Hexadecimal to binary. To convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number, you simply convert each hexadecimal digit into its 4-bit binary equivalent. Unlike other conversions, this is a direct mapping and doesn't require any calculations. Take each digit of the hexadecimal number one at a time. Using the conversion table below, find the corresponding 4-bit binary code for that digit. Concatenate to join together all the 4-bit codes in the correct order to form the final binary. Let's convert the hexadecimal number to a 5-bit binary equivalent. The hexadigit to correspond to 0010 in binary. The hex digit A, which is decimal 10, corresponds to 1010 in binary. The next digit corresponds to binary. To convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number, you simply convert each hexadecimal digit into its 4-bit binary equivalent. Unlike other conversion, this is a direct mapping and doesn't require any calculations. Example: to convert 3A base 16 to binary, recall hexadecimal to binary values. Each digit is equal to 4 binary bits. Hexadecimal 0, binary 0, 0, 4, 0, 1, binary. This is the table. And next, step 2 is to convert each digit hexadecimal number divided by 3A. So, 3, so 3 convert to 0, 0, 1, 1. A convert to 1, 0, 1, 0. Combine the binary groups. 3AB16 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, base of 2. The answer is 3A16 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2.